Welcome to the demonstration of my plugin named PayPal Currency Converter Pro that you found on CodeCanyon. So I'm going to install the plugin that I have stored locally in my notebook. It's in my download folder here. I say okay, open this one and install it. No. Excuse me. So this is on a local MEMP, so not too fast. Takes a moment, but now it's installed. I can activate it. Once activated, you'll have a new entry below WooCommerce. It calls exchange rate. You go here, and in the default setting, it looks like this. In my shop, I have set Korean won as my shop currency for the demonstration purpose of it. And my PayPal targeted currency is US dollar, since my PayPal account is based on US dollar. That might be different for you if you have a PayPal account that is on euro or whatever other supported currency. You choose your own PayPal currency here and leave it like it is. So in case you have a currency that is not listed in WooCommerce set of currencies, you can choose this, check this box, and then you apply your currency code, the ISO Alpha 3 code, and give it a symbol and a name, and then you will have this currency available in your WooCommerce settings later after you have saved this. I go on. I will first have to set up my currency exchange rate data provider selection in the default setting. This is set to custom exchange rate that allows you to choose your own conversion rate and leave it running forever or until you change it. But normally you would choose to have a exchange rate provider that delivers accurate exchange rates. For this demo purpose, I choose the European Central Bank. You may as well use Open Exchange Rates API. You go to openexchangerates.org and you can get an API ID. Then you would have to put it here inside and select, and then it will be available for you. For now, I selected European Central Bank, and once I save my changes, it will fetch the current currency exchange rate, and you see it is here. And if I want to use this exchange rate, I will have to press accept, and it appears in the conversion rate field. So if you want to use that, you have to, of course, save this settings. So you can play with the precision, because in that case it looks like it's very small number. So I would raise my precision here to the maximum of 8 digits, and I save my changes, and I will have a higher precision appearing here, and I will select that to make for better results. And as well, you see here the retrieval counter that counts the numbers of retrievals of the currency exchange rate. And the next thing you would want to do is you would eventually add your handling fees. So you have the option to have it as a percentage or as a fixed amount or both. That's also possible. Let's say we do it as a fixed amount first. I choose 1,500 Korean won, and I save my setting, and I want to see how it looks like on the checkout. I already have a checkout open, so I go here and refresh my checkout, and I see that I have a handling fee that is fixed, 1,500 won. You see these are the shop currency rates, and here in the PayPal payment gateway description you see the converted amounts, and you see the handling fee was added as a fixed price. if we change that, let's say we add as well a percentage of 2% and save this setting, go back to the checkout page, refresh that. As you can see here, we have 2% plus the 1,501 fixed rate, so that results into this. If I choose to only want to have a percentage, then I go back here, set it to 0, save that change, and refresh again, and I only see the 2% handling fee, which might be a little bit low in that case, so I raise it up to 5%, and save it, refresh, and have a new result of 601, which might be still too low, but that's up to you to set it in the way you want it to have. Furthermore, you have to see if you want to have it have the handling fee also be included into the tax calculation, and you can also select if you want to have the shipping be included in the handling fee calculation. So, and you can also name your handling fee as you like. Let's say you want to call it processing, whatever, I don't know. That's up to you. So I save my changes, go to the checkout, check my difference, and you see it's named processing fee now. And the next thing you want to think about is how you would have the payment handle your order status. So usually if you sell virtual downloadable products, you would have to have that checked, because then once the payment is done, the order will be set to completed, and that could as well be checked for other articles in your shop, but then you would have to have them as being processed once they are paid, so that you can ship them out of your shop. Next thing will cover the email order complete note. You might want to add the information that it has been paid by PayPal, and with currency exchange rate that will be shown here. In this text, this is a sample that reflects what you have put inside here. You have to keep in mind that these are variables and they appear in a fixed manner as shown here in the tooltip. See, number 1 is the exchange rate, number 6 is the handling amount in US dollar. So the next thing we should cover is the schedule fetched automation of your exchange rate update. If you want to have that, you have to check this checkbox, and you would choose out of 2 options how to automate this. The easiest way is to use a plugin called WordPress cron job, which I already have installed, and you copy this hook here, this hook name. I put that in my clipboard. I save the change. I go to Tools, Cron Events. This is from the WordPress Cron scheduler. So, and I add my hook here. I don't need any arguments, and I just have to say when shall it run next. Let's say it shall run today at 8 p.m. and it shall repeat every day or twice daily, which is also good. So I add this cron event and I'm already set. This should appear here somewhere. Here it is, you see it. It's scheduled and the next time will be this evening. Okay, so we go back to exchange rate. So we're set with that automation of the exchange rate fetching. If you don't want to rely on WordPress itself, you can call this link here. Of course, that will be your URL here. It will be automatically shown where it is installed, and then you can call that link. And once you call this link, the exchange rate will be fetched and stored in your WordPress database. This can be automated by a cron job on your host. Well, that's almost everything I need to cover in this tutorial. I hope that helped you to understand how this plugin works. Thank you for watching and good luck with your sales. Thank you.